Well, I was walking down the street one day when someone smiled and said, "Hey, do you think you could write a song about ducks?" And I paused a bit and I scratched my head. "First I'll need to learn," I said, "so I guess I gotta go and find me one of these ducks." I looked around the parks and trees, but all I saw was dogs and bees. I waved at the clouds, but they just floated on. I finally saw a duck near a pond. It flapped its wings, then it was gone. Not so easy finding a duck for my duck song, duck song. I wish I had a duck song, but we might be out of luck song. If a duck song I can't write. Well, if the ducks won't talk to me, I'll write about what they might be. I'll use my imagination to create. Maybe ducks wear tiny shoes or throw big parties at the zoo. The ideas are flowing. I'm doing great. I'll think of feathers, quacks, and lakes, wadley walks and wiggly shakes. I'll shape those words so they fit in a song. If the rhyming gets tough, I'll take it slow. That's the best way I know how to go. Step by step, I'll build the words for my duck song, duck song. I wish I had a duck song, but we might be out of luck song. If a duck song I can't write. Next I need a melody, something strong and fun and free, a sound you'll want to sing in the shower. I'll try some notes and let them grow. Some will move quick and others slow. Beautiful patterns will emerge like a flower. Maybe some guitar and piano, drums that tap and horns that blow. Maybe even a harmonica will come in just for fun. And all these instruments to play, they take practice every day, and that's how to make the music for my duck song,